Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यां तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Srimad Bhagavad Gita session. We are embarking on new chapter, on a new chapter tonight. We are heading with the 7th chapter, Jnana Vijnana Yoga, Jnana knowledge, Vijnana wisdom. The first 6 chapters covered a portion of a Mahavakya, Tat Tvamasi's Tvam Padartha, you. It taught about us, it spoke about us, what level we are, how we are confused, starting from Arjuna Vishata Yoga, and how we can have a Sthita Prajna attitude, which gives the chapter, gives the Sankhya Yoga, gives the whole gist of Bhagavad Gita. And then slowly it went to Karma Yoga. And slowly how with the Jnana and the Karma we have to have a sannyasa. And how to do all this, how we will have to have our seating, our sadhana. We ended at that level where how to purify the mind and sit in a state of meditation. Atma Sanyama was taught. Now, from this chapter onwards, for the next 6 chapters, we'll be seeing the Tat Padartha, that I understood what I am, what I think I am, limited me. But I am that, the limitless, infinite. And in that seat of meditation, I was taught to cognize that infinite. How to cognize that infinite with the finite mind is that when we say tat padartha, is it something, is it an item to be cognized? It's different from me, it's other from me, and I have to grasp that. So when we objectify, because our tendency is to understand by only objectifying, it's me and I am going to understand that. But over here, we will slowly learn that it is not cognizing some object or tat padartha. It is recognizing that it is me only by not doing anything to know it. It is by cleaning our own self so that it automatically reveals itself. Where the knowledge is coming off from by the self only. It is not an object. So this infinite, limitless one, how to cognize, what one must first do, what is the beginning, that we are going to see from this chapter number 7 onwards. It's going to be very beautiful and a very beautiful chapter itself. So let's see what the chapter has got to offer us without wasting any time. And it's a small chapter, unlike the previous chapter where we had so many slokas. So hopefully we should be able to complete this in a continuity in a few sessions itself. Okay. So let's get into chapter number 7. Arunji. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः
अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः
ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगः।
ज्ञान विज्ञान योगः।
श्रीभगवानुवाच
श्री भगवानुवाच
मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ
मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ
instead of saying sap, से सक्त फुल त मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ
मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ
मनाफ विसर्गा
मनः
स्पकार
मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ
करेक्ट योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः
योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः
असंशयं समग्रं माम्
असंशयं समग्रं माम्
यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु
यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं माम् यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु.
Excellent. Perfect. So let's do the Padacheda now. Maya Saktamanaha. What happens over there?
It's Mai plus Asakt Manaha.
Asakta, not Asakta, Asakta.
Asakt Manaha.
So Mai plus Asakta Manaha. What Sandhi?
Yan.
Yan Sandhi. Mai, Ikara and Asakta A becomes Yakara.
Yep.
And because it is Mai is Yakara and plus Yan is happening, so there is double Ya, Maya. Maya.
That's it.
Double Ya is there. Mai plus Asakta Manaha. Partha as it is, Yogam. Yunjan Madashrayaha. It's only joined together. Yunjan plus Madashrayaha. There is no Sandhi over there. Asamshayam as it is.
Even
Samagra.
Madashrayaha?
Madashrayaha, we can keep it together only. Mat Ashrayaha. Yeah.
Yeah. Mat Ashrayaha. No Sandhi.
We can break it if we want. Ta is becoming the, so it will be.
Yeah, that's what I've written here.
Yeah.
Just was. Yeah.
Just well. Asamshayam. Yes, as it is. Samagram. Mam as it is. Yatha. Over there. Nyasyasi as it is. Tat Shrunu. Tat Shrunu has happened. Ta, tat and Shrunu. Shrunu. So what Sandhi it is?
This is Shuchatva.
Chutva Sandhi. Chutva Sandhi. Okay. So now, so Padachhed has happened. Let's see the Padarthas now. Mai, Saptami, Asmat Shabda. In me or on me. Anybody has memorized and come that Asmat Shabda which we did last? Anybody tried? Or anybody has that in front of you to read it off?
I can open for it if I can find it quickly, but I don't find it. Aham.
Aham. I'm having.
Okay.
Yes, read it.
Prathama aham avam vayam. Dvitiyam maam.
No. Why changing the pattern? Aham avam vayam prathama. Not to forget how to read it.
Aham avam vayam prathama ma no nah dvitiya maya.
Mama avam no.
Mam no avam nah
Avam no asmannaha. Mamma avam no asmannaha. Dvitiya. Then?
Maya avabhyam asmabhihi tritiya. Mahyam me avabhyam
Avabhyam no asmabhyam naha. Chaturthi.
Chaturthi mata avabhyam.
Not mata. Halanta. Mat.
Okay. Mat avabhyam asmat panchami mama me avyoho no.
Avayoho no.
I have written it wrong way.
Go ahead.
Asmakna asmakam. संबोध षष्ठ
First,
मयि आवयोः
Shashti, not shashta,
अस्मासु
not shashta,
षष्टि
shashti, shashti.
षष्टि मयि आवयोः अस्मासु सप्तमी.
Correct. So this mai avayoho asmasu. For this mai, we read this. There should be flow when we are reading because now it's so long, right? We have done. So please read it once a while. Aham mavam vayam prathama mam ma avam no asmannaha titiya ya avapyam asmadihi chitta tritiya mayham me avam. So let it flow. And let it be easy. There should not be at this stage a struggle to read with the open book where I was expecting that it should have been memorized. Okay, so this Mai is our Saptami Asman Shabda. Then, Asaktamanaha, where mind has an intent, deliberate intention. So, Mai in me or on me, Manaha Asakta. The keeping the intention of mind on me, Partha, Sambodhan, O Partha, O Arjuna, Yogam, the yoga, Yunjan, who is practicing the art of yoga, Mat Ashrayaha, on me, who is taking refuge in me, Asamshayam, without any doubt, Samagram, completely, Mam. See, Mahyam me, sorry, Aham avam vayam prathama, Mam ma, Dvitiya. So, Mam, to me, Yatha. However, Nyasyasi, will know, future, you will know, that. How you will know. So by focusing your mind on me, how you will know that, Shrunu, please hear. How you will know me fully. By focusing your complete mind on me. I shall tell you about that. Please listen. Now, we all know our flaws. Now, Bhagwan is telling how to bring the mind on that tatpad. So that how you will come to me. That means that highest truth, which is not high above in the sky, up in the heaven, somewhere in the God, that is me. How to know that? It's going to come to that level. It's very personal experience. It's not a distant thing. We are like that musk deer, no? It is there, the musk is in the belly and it is searching for the smell outside, wandering here and there, and then getting it killed. Because it has its own scent and it is trying. So it's like that. We are having the whole thing in us and we are just out and about everywhere in the world except in ourselves. And Lord is now trying to reveal that what you're saying, that high, above, far away, distant, it's not that. It is very personal there in the cave of your heart, deep down inside you. It is you. This is going to get revealed. So if you will get that bhav and then see with Gita and study that, we'll develop that bhav and we can expand that. And it is not some janma's experience. It is right now over here in this janma itself. We can get a glimpse of that. श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं माम् यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु.
one question, Dr. Vaishali, if I can ask.
Yes.
Mat Ashriya word, so this mat is same as is Panchami of Aham. Mat Ashriya. So this mat is same as Panchami of Aham.
Read the Saptami again.
Panchami.
No, read the Saptami.
Saptami is Mai Avyoho Asmasu.
Asmasu. Yeah, it's same thing like Panchami. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Alama. You can, yes. Number 2. Jnanam savignanam.
ज्ञानं देहं सविज्ञानम्
Idam vakshyamya sheshataha.
इदं वक्ष्याम्य शेदः
Vakshyamya sheshataha.
इदं वक्ष्याम्य
Not
शेषतः
vashya. It is not vashya. It is vakshya.
वक्ष्यम्
Yeah. Vakshyamya sheshataha.
वदुषम् इदं वक्ष्याम्य शेषतः
Yajñātvā neha bhūyoņat.
यज्ञात्वा नो भूजे त्वजा
Not no. Neha
नेह भूयो भूओन्
bhūyoņat. Bhūyoņat.
भूयोन्य
ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते.
ज्ञानत्वयद्विष्यते
Not ज्ञानत्व. ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते.
ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते
शिष्यते न. ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते.
ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते
Not विष्यते. शिष्यते. अवशिष्य is
शिष्यते
balance.
ज्ञातव्यम् अविष्यते
ज्ञातव्यम्
ज्ञातव्यम् अविष्यते
अवशिष्यते.
अवशिष्यते ज्ञानं देहं सविज्ञान इदं वक्ष्यम्
विज्ञानम्
विज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्यम् यशेषते
शेषतः वक्ष्याम्य शेषतः.
पश्याम् यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोन्य ज्ञात्वयम् अविष्यते अवशिष्यते
ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते.
ज्ञातव्यम् अविष्यते
शिष्यते नो मा. ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते. शिष्यते.
ज्ञात्वयम् अवशिष्यते
ज्ञातव्यम्, not tvayam. That doesn't matter. Slowly it will come.
ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते अवशिष्यते
Avashishya is to remain balanced. Okay, let's do the Padacheda Jnanam. Teham. Teham is what?
ते अहम
Teham. What sandhi?
दीर्घ पूर्व रूपम
सवर्ण दीर्घ
सवर्ण
No,
No.
no Savarna
Purvaru.
Dirgha over here.
Purvaru.
Purvaru. Savijnanam. Only it is broken. There is no sandhi. Idam vakshyamya sheshataha. What happens over there?
वक्ष्यामि अशेषतः
Correct. What sandhi?
यण संधि
Yan sandhi. Vakshyami. I will tell. It is a future tense. Vakshyami. Asheshataha. So Vakshyami is ikara and asheshata is akara. E and a forms ya. Vakshamya sheshataha. Yan sandhi. Yajñātva. Ja has come over there. What sandhi? It becomes ta.
Yat plus Nyatva.
Yeah. So ta becomes ja. What sandhi?
I haven't written down, so I thought I couldn't find out what it is.
Jashatva only.
Okay, just only.
Yeah. Neha.
Okay. Na plus ihi.
Na plus iha. What sandhi?
Gun.
Guna sandhi. Neha, na plus iha. A and E is becoming A. Gun. Bhuyonyat.
So this is bhuyah plus anyat,
Correct.
which is
Bhuyaha
visarga.
plus anyat. Visarga and
Visarga,
purvaru.
purva.
Jnatavyam, to know. What
Yeah.
one must know. Jnatav, like kartavyam, what one must do.
This
Jnatavyam.
is, sorry, this is also counted another sandhi then?
No, it
Anyat
is not a
plus
sandhi.
jnatavyam?
Jnatavyam is not a sandhi. Jnatavyam avashishyate. A has joined the halanta makara of jnatavyam.
But
So,
there is a ja there in the word. Bhunyo
bhuyonyat.
javatam.
Yeah, bhuyonyat that we have opened. So, just
Ah,
has happened.
okay. I'm
Bhuyonyat.
sorry, I have written wrongly here. Thank you.
Bhuyonyat is the sandhi. And bhuyaha plus anyat, which we opened, and jnatavyam, it is tavyat aniyar pratyaya. Kartavyam, karaniyam. So kartavyam, what must do, one must do. Karaniyam, what one definitely must do. So tavyat aniyar pratyaya denotes the responsibility of the action. Over here, jnana is the action, what one must know. Jnatavyam.
Thank you.
Avashishyate, balance. So neha is there, right? Na iha, not over here. Anything is balance ever to know. But we'll see. We have just seen the padartha, padacheda. We'll see now the padartha. Jnanam, that knowledge, te, to you, aham, savidnyanam, with the wisdom, idam, over here, vakshyami, over here now, I will tell you, asheshataha, completely, without anything in keeping in balance. I'll give you that complete knowledge with wisdom right now over here. Yet, by which, jnatva, tvantavya, by knowing which, having known. So you complete one action and then you go to another. That time we use this tvanta. By which, by knowing which, na iha over here, na bhuyaha, again, anyat, any other, jnatavyam, something that is more to be known, avashishyate. It is not there. Na avashishyate. There is not that. So Bhagwan is saying, I'm going to tell you now, the knowledge with the wisdom, right now over here, knowing which there is nothing over here left to be known. It's that much complete. There is nothing else balance for you to know after you know this particular knowledge. Every other knowledge you will get, there is nothing going to remain that you have to learn something more than. So I'm going to give you a complete knowledge now. This is what Bhagavan's assurance to Arjuna. Jnanam teham savidnyanam idam vakshyamya sheshataha yajnatva neha bhuyomyat jnatavyam avashishyate. Number 3. Manushyanam sahasreshu. You are on mute?
Yeah, I have a background noise, so let
Oh,
if somebody
okay.
else.
Yes. Okay, fine. So, Sumita ji, we have Sumati and we have Sumita.
Manushyanam sahasreshu
Correct. Kaschidyatati siddhaye
kaschidhyatati siddhaye
yatataamapi siddhanam
yatatamapi siddhanam
kaschinmam veti tattvataha.
कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः मनुष्या मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यत्तति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः.
Very good. Let's do the Padacheda now. Manushyana, as it is, what vibhakti?
Saptami.
Like what? No?
Shashti.
Actually.
Manushyaha is there?
Manushyasya. Devasya. Manushyasya. Devasya. Manushyana. Devanam. Amongst. So it shows Shashti we use when we have to show amongst. Sahasreshu. What vibhakti?
Here Saptami.
Saptami, yes. Kaschit yatati. What sandhi over there? Kaschit. That has become the and yatati. The has become the.
Gunasandhi. Yeah.
Just
Just at the third alphabet it becomes the vargas, third, the. Kaschit yatati. So the has become the over there. Siddhaye. Then yatatam plus api. No sandhi over there. Siddhanam, like manushyanam. Shashti Bahuvachan. Kaschit has become na. Ma veti tattvataha. No sandhi over there. So now Krishna says, see the plight. Let's see the padartha now. Manushyana. Sahasreshu. Amongst 1,000 men, among 1,000 human beings, Kaschit, someone only, yatati siddhaye. Only for a siddhi, for a perfection. Only few try for it, isn't it? So much of population, we are in so much satsang. How much sincerity we have in our sadhana? Are we trying that day and night like that? No, we have our family commitments. When we have time, we will do our sadhana. But for one who is really practicing, for him first is the sadhana and then the family. Then we'll say, if I will sit for my sadhana, my wife or my spouse, whoever, or my children, what they will eat, what they will do, what they will think. So we have got into a samsara, right? We have importance, but for who has mentally sannyasi, he doesn't feel like what we feel. That much burning desire, that much fire on the head should be there, that you don't care for anything else but for this. That's why I give that example of a girl eloping with her boyfriend. She loves her father, she loves her mother. All thing is there. They have only brought her up. But then the fire of love is so much burning that she doesn't mind running away from the house. Not caring how heartbroken the parents would be. But because there is no other desire but to marry that person. So much burning desire that she can take a drastic step and run away. Breaking hearts, giving stress, giving what all. Because that much burning desire is there for that person. So like that, when we will have a burning desire for our knowledge, then we will not give excuses. That's why Bhagavan says, in Sahasra, thousands of men, only few are striving, ready to do the sadhana, to sit for a sadhana. We all can talk about it, but we actually cannot do it in the way it is supposed to be done. And then, yatatam api siddhanam. And those who have then strived to sit for a sadhana, and amongst those siddhas who are sitting, kaschit, only few, mam veti, know me, tattvataha, in its reality. in actual sense. So not that all who are sitting for a sadhana would be successful. There are so many criteria. First, in so many thousands, only few would sit. And then in so many thousands, in hundreds or fifties balance, maybe one or two would reach him. In his essence, only few would know, actually. Manushyanam सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः. गायत्री जी. Number 4. भूमिरापो नलो वायुः
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः.
So Bhumi is Bha, Mahaprana.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः.
Mano buddhirev cha.
खम्मनो बुद्धिरेव च.
Buddhi, Dha, Mahaprana.
बुद्धिरेव च.
अहंकार इति यं मे
अहंकार इति यं मे
भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा.
भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा. भूमिरापो नलो वायुः कम्मनो बुद्धि.
Come, not come, come.
खम्मनो बुद्धिरेव च. अहंकार इदीयं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा.
Good. So let's break down the verse. Bhumi rapo nalo. What is happening over there?
भूमिः आपः
Plus analaha.
अनलः विसर्ग सन्ति.
So first Bhumi
Therefore.
apa. Yes, Visarga's Repa has happened. Bhumi rapaha. Visarga has become Ra. Bhumi rapa has happened. Bhumi plus apaha. Apo nalo. What happens over there?
पूर्व विसर्ग पूर्व.
And also Visarga. Analo has become Analaha. So then
Visarga.
Analo is also a Visarga.
विसर्ग.
So Bhumihi plus Apaha plus Analaha. Analaha not to mix with Anilaha. Anala is fire and Anila is Vayu. A Nala, a Nila. So not to mix this. Vayu. Come as it is. Mano, Manaha. Sandhi, Visarga. Buddhireva. What happens over there?
बुद्धिः एव.
Visarga's Rekha has happened. Ahankaram itiyam.
इति इयं दीर्घं.
Correct. So this is now Savarna Dirgha.
सवर्ण दीर्घ.
E and Iyam, two small E's have joined to form a big E. So similar Savarna E has become E. Dirgha. Savarna's Dirgha has happened. Bhinna as it is. Prakruti Rashtadha. What happens over there?
कृतिः अष्टधा.
Prakriti
विसर्ग रेफ.
Ashtadha. So now let's see the Padartha. Bhumihi, Prithvi, Earth. Apaha, Jala, water. Analaha, Teja, fire. Vayuhu, Anilaha, wind. Kham, Akashaha, space, sky. Manaha, mind. Buddhihi, buddhi, intellect. Eva and cha and ahankara. Ahankara, ego. These 8 factors, iti iyam, these, bhinna, these are different or divided
Yeah, bhinna is divided into ashtadha, eightfold. What? My Prakriti. So it is me only who is forming the matter world. What more proof is? So whatever the sky, mountain, space, river, tree, whatever we see, any jada vastu also is Bhagavan only. They are my divisions, Bhagavanasya. The world may people differentiate, it's formed of matter, and the world stops over there. But over here, Bhagavan says that matter is my form only. What more we need? See the relation. It is not something non-living, useless thing lying here and there simply by some fluke. It is Bhagwan's expression and Bhagwan has manifested it. It may not have the Sajiva Tattva, what we say, Chaitanya Tattva. Sat Bhav is there, Astitva Bhav is there. Ananda Bhav may not be there. That expression of Bhagwan is there in it, all the matter that we see. So this would be the basis for us to understand how universe is made, fine, out of matter, but addition factor, it is Bhagwan's only other form, divided into as a eightfold Prakriti. Itiyam me, he says, my. Yeah. So there is, it looks a very simple verse, but everything is so pregnant with the highest form that Bhagwan, with his own words only, we can hear him say that it is my form, eight, and my own form is divided into eightfold. That's called as Prakriti. Bhumirapo nalo vayuho khammano buddhirevacha ahankara itiyam me bhinna prakritirashtadha. We'll take one more verse and stop. Padmaji has to chant still, so we'll take one and then we stop. Number 5. Apareyamitastvanyam
अपरेयमितस्त्वन्याम्
prakritim vidhi me param
प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे पराम्
jiva bhuta mahabaho
जीवभूतां महाबाहो
yayedandharyate jagat
ययेदन्धार्यते जगत् अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे पराम् जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेदन्धार्यते जगत्.
Let's first divide the verse, split the words. Apareyamitastvanyam. What are the sandhis out over there?
Apara,
Apara, yes.
iyam,
Correct.
itah,
Correct.
tu plus anyam.
Correct.
So apara plus iyam is gun,
Yes.
and then itah swanyam. Tu plus anyam is yana. U plus a becomes yana.
Visarga Sandhi.
No. Tvanya.
Oh,
What sandhi over
sorry.
there?
So apara plus iyam is gun.
Yes.
Then there is a swarm. Visarga.
Yes.
Itah plus tu.
Yes.
That S would go away.
Yes.
You know. And then finally yan sandhi. Tu plus anyam.
Yes. Tu plus anya, tvanya. Then prakritim vidhi me param, no sandhi is over there. Jiva bhutam mahabaho, no sandhi. Ya yedam.
Yaya plus idam. Gun.
Ya plus idam. What happens?
Gun.
Gun has happened. Dharyate jagat as it is. So apara, other, which is lower. Para is higher. Apara is lower. Iyam, this. Itaha, from this. Prakrutim vidhi me para. From this lower one, you know my higher prakriti, higher nature. Jiva bhutam, which is this very life element. O Mahabaho, addressed to Arjuna, O mighty armed one. Yaya, third case, like Malaya, Maya, Yaya, by which. By instrumental case. Third case, idam jagat dharyate, the world is held. So Bhagwan is going to talk about this, and we will see that in the next session, that what is that Bhagwan is meaning, that which holds this universe. So not just the living beings. Animate, inanimate, whatever is known as universe is Bhagwan's bhav only. Know it as me only, Bhagwan is. What more proof we want? We'll dwell on this and try to expand our awareness to the things that we see around from our day-to-day activities for next 7 days, so that that recognition of this is Bhagwan's expression. Tree, Bhagwan's expression. Moon in the sky, Bhagwan's expression. Sun, Bhagwan's expression. Stone you have stumbled on, Bhagwan's expression. A grass that has grown. Whatever number of things when you are passing here and there, in this one whole week, bring your awareness to these first 5 verses and relate the tap water, Bhagwan's expression. Sea water, puddle water, river water, pond water, well water, whatever you see, tank water, Bhagwan's expression. In every action that you do and whatever you see, bring Bhagwan as a covering, as a homework for next 1 week. So you are holding the string of that thought. Because now a new thought has started. The Tat topic is starting. That means we'll have to know what is that. That which we have put high above, up in the heaven, above the sky, is brought down over here. And we have to develop that vision, that feeling, that is Bhagwan. Whatever we see is Bhagwan. Stone is also, a thorn is also Bhagwan. Everything is Bhagwan. Let's hold on to this thought and meet next Wednesday. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining.
Om.
Thank
Thank you very
you.
much.
Very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much,
you.
Varshaji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Varshaji. Hari Om ji. Thank you.
Very home, Parshati. Thank you.
Hari Om Mahavarama.